Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to connect your Google account with OnlyFans. Now let us begin. Do note that if you signed up using Google account, that is that. But in context, you signed up using something else, we're gonna look at how to connect the Google account. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the left hand side, you're gonna see your profile picture on the top left. Click on it right now, and once you guys do that, this thing will open up. From here, simply scroll down till you see the settings. Just below collection, you can see the settings button. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. Now let's look at how to connect our Google account. Just below profile, you're gonna see something called as account. Click on it right now. And once you do that, something like this will open up. From here, simply scroll down till you see something called as linked accounts. Well, do note from here you can link your Google account along with your Twitter account. In this video, we're simply focusing on how to connect the Google account, so I'm gonna select the second option right here. Once you do that, it's gonna prompt you something like this. Simply click on this button that says sign in with Google. Once you've done that, it's gonna ask for your credentials. Simply enter it right now. Well, I clicked on it. Now it's asking me to select my Google account. I'm simply gonna select it and just give my confirmation. And that is it, guys. Once you've done that, your Google account will be connected with OnlyFans. As you guys can see, my Google account has been connected. Well guys, that is it. That's how we connect Google account with OnlyFans. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We will be updating more videos like this pretty soon. So, until next time, thank you.